Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable end-to-end encryption over on Zoom. So in order to do this, just head over to Zoom on either the app. This can also be done on the mobile device, this can be done on the desktop version, or you can use the desktop browser version basically. And that's currently what I'm doing, but it will basically all be the same. So in order to enable end-to-end encryption, just head over from home into your settings right here at the left side of your screen, as you guys can see, just like that. And once you've done that, you're most likely at general. So from general, head over to meeting, just like this. Once you're at meeting, scroll a little bit down till you find end-to-end encryption, which is right here. Allow use of end-to-end encryption. To enable that, what you need to do is simply enable it. And what you then need to do is verify with a phone number. Once you're verified with a phone number, you will be able to enable end-to-end encryption. And that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.